College, and today I'm doing my competency for the initiation of non-invasive mechanical ventilation. Before I enter the patient's room, I have verified the patient's orders, I've reviewed the patient's charts, and I've gathered all my equipment. I'm going to perform hand hygiene.
So I feel like I think so.
And put on my gloves. Hi, my name is Lee. I'm going to be your respiratory therapy student today. Can I start by getting your name, date, birth? Alright, I'm going to look at your band just to verify that. Okay. So the doctor ordered us to get you started on what we call CPAP. It's just going to help open up those lungs and give you a little bit of positive pressure to keep those lungs from deflating all the way. Just make it a little bit easier for you to breathe. That last ABG we got, everything was just a little bit off, and your oxygen level was a little low. So we believe this is going to help you out quite a bit. Have you ever been on CPAP before? All right. Well, it does take a mask, so we're going to have to get you sized for that, and it is pretty close to your face, so it's going to be a little tight in order to add that pressure. But the fact that it's going to help you breathe a lot better is going to outweigh the fact that it's going to be a little cumbersome. Is there any questions for me? All right. This is where I would assess the patient. I'm going to do pulse, respirations, listen to his lungs front and back. Just do a general appearance and see if there's any signs of distress going on. And then I'm also going to measure him for his mass. Medium's going to be a little bit. So we're going to go for a small.
So we're going to say
A small mass here.
after the R2.
Alright, I'm going to get everything set up before we take you off for oxygen. It's going to do a lot of making and I've got to do tests and stuff like that. So it's going to make some noise, okay?
This will give us the ability to this will give both pressure on inspiration and expiration.
Alright, I'm going to initiate the test.
Just pH low, CO2 high.
Alright, test complete.
That's just okay. Maybe do 100
There's a CPAP at 5. FiO2 at 100. There's your alarm set up here. High pressure at 15. Low pressure at 3. Pressure delay at 3. Apnea at 20 seconds. The low minute ventilation at 3. High rate at 24. Low rate at 14. Alright. Anything else set up?
Hello, my name is Chris Paul. I'm a respiratory therapist student at Parkland. I'll be doing a competency video switching over a patient from CPAP mode to ST mode. First, I'm going to verify the physician's orders. After the arterial blood gas, the physician has ordered us to switch over to ST mode. Next, I will gather my equipment and introduce myself asked me to
I'm just
switch
gonna
over
kind of stand here and
from
watch you a
CPAP
little bit. I'm gonna go ahead
mode
and do some of my charting, get some
ST
of the
mode.
parameters that I
to,
set.
after the
Mark
arterial
down
blood
and
gas that we
stuff,
drew,
so-
there were some abnormal values there, so we just want to get you squared away here in ST mode to help us do that. So to switch over from CPAP mode to ST mode, I will hit mode ST, and then activate mode. Going to set his FiO2 at 60%. His iPad mode will be at 10.
All right, how are you doing?
EPAP
Still
mode,
feel like you're doing okay?
or the EPAP will be